Hey friends, if you wish to turn on or off shared experiences on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Now, the word shared experiences has actually been changed a little. I'll tell you why. Because when we migrated from Windows 10 to Windows 11, they changed the settings. But we have a similar option. Right click on the Start button, select Settings from the menu, go to the Apps tab on the list on the left hand side. Select Advanced App Settings in the right pane. There's something called as Shared Across Devices, which is exactly the same thing. You can either turn it off or you can set it to everyone nearby. By default, it is selected to My Devices only. And what is My Devices? When you check Bluetooth and devices, all devices that are connected are counted into My Devices. So you can choose whatever option you want to. By default, obviously it is selected at My Devices, which allows you to share between your own devices. But if you select it at off, it will turn it off for all devices. You cannot share with any device. And if you select it at everybody nearby, then anyone can connect to your computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.